Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Manassas National Battlefield Park. And here is a statue of Stonewall Jackson, one of the great Confederate generals of the Civil War. Stonewall Jackson, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do some exploring around Manassas National Battlefield Park. Let's go down this way to the house here. You know what? Let's take the trail over on the side. There, as you can see, is the statue of Stonewall Jackson. Over here we have a tree. A tree! It's a tree! This is the Bartow Monument. Brigadier General Francis Stebbings Bartow, born Savannah, Georgia, September 16, 1816. Mortally wounded on this spot, July 21, 1861. Right here on this spot. General Bartow. Oh. Okay, we're on top of this is Henry Hill, and this is the Henry Hill house. It's a bit of a ways. Here at Manassas National Battlefield. Let's go inside the Henry Hill house. Henry Hill house. It's just a small house here on top of Henry Hill. Second floor is closed off, so we can't go up there. Here's the other entrance to Henry Hill house. Oh, a little higher than I thought. Here's where some of the family are buried, right in front of the house. Here's where Wade Hampton was wounded, right in front of this house. Battle of First Manassas, July 1861. Alright, let's go to the visitor center and see what we can find there. Two battles were fought here. First Manassas in July 1861, and Second Manassas about 6 or 8 months later. Both were Confederate victories here in the Manassas National Battlefield, a place of great importance and history and significance, which I'm sure some people out there would want to erase from history. Maybe I needed a counterweight. Anyway, here's some cannons. These aren't the original cannons. These are probably just replicas of cannons that were fired during those two battles. There's the visitor center. Let's go in the visitor center and see what we can find in the gift shop. Hello everyone, welcome to Manassas National Battlefield Park here in Manassas, Virginia. Behind me is a statue of the great Confederate General Stonewall Jackson. I figured I'd get a selfie now before they tear him down and replace him with somebody like Kim Kardashian or somebody. So, such is the world we live in today. Alright, I'm at the visitor center, just cooling off, relaxing after walking around outside. I really didn't walk all that much, but I worked this morning, so I'm a little bit tired, so I'm just kind of cooling off here at the museum. Alright, that was our little visit to Manassas National Battlefield Park. And now I am leaving. You can see the visitor center behind me. As I leave this place. I got a good amount of visitors here. Okay, that's it.